We remember our Harvey Wallbanger. Harvey Wallbanger going into a short glass. So we can do a tequila version of this one as well. So short glass, full to the top with ice. Full to the top with ice. Our Harvey Wallbanger, we were going with vodka. How much vodka? You look through your recipes, you'll realize it was 3/4 of an ounce. We're just going to make this one a single. So 3/4 of an ounce of vodka in this case. It was orange juice that we're going and topping this off with, and a nice little float of our vanilla liqueur, Galliano in this case. Wallbangers end up getting Galliano, and Galliano is expensive, so a nice little drizzle of our vanilla liqueur on top ends up making a Harvey Wallbanger. Again, garnishing with an orange ends up being a fantastic way to go. Our tequila version, same kind of thing. We're going to go with 3/4 of an ounce of tequila. We're going with orange juice, and finishing that off with a 1/4 ounce float of that expensive vanilla liqueur. So just a nice little drizzle on top there, so your customer is going to get that vanilla with every sip that they have out of this glass. Garnish with an orange. We have a Tequila Wallbanger, also known as a Freddy Fudpucker. Careful how you say that. It's a 60s era cocktail. Harvey Wallbanger, Tequila Wallbanger.
Start Bartending is an online course covering everything you need to know to confidently begin as a bartender. We will teach you how to make more money by making your customers happy with premium cocktails, efficient drink building techniques, and product knowledge. Go to startbartending.com to sign up for the course that can change your career and create new opportunities for you.